Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing only way and granting storage permission so the app can access your gallery. This is necessary for locking. Next, pick a lock method, PIN, pattern, or biometric, because each provides different convenience versus security trade-offs. Once chosen, set a recovery email or enable two-factor authentication and write down a backup PIN to avoid permanent lockout. Make sure to test unlocking immediately so you confirm the method works before proceeding to secure multiple albums. Now, select the albums or individual photos you want to protect. Tap each item and add it to the locked vault so nothing is missed. Once items are inside, configure auto-lock timing and stealth features to automatically relock after an activity or hide the app icon. These settings optimize convenience and privacy. If you rely on multiple devices, enable cloud sync and encrypted backups to preserve access. After applying settings, verify a few locked photos cannot be opened without your credentials. Finish by performing a full unlock and relock test across your devices to ensure the vault behaves consistently. This verifies sync and local protection. If you ever get locked out, use the recovery email or enter the backup PIN you recorded earlier to regain access and reset your credentials immediately. Make sure to clear app cache only after confirming encrypted backups are intact, because cache wipes can remove temporary keys. If encryption errors appear, reinstall app and restore from backup as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.